SENS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to cover everything around that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Senseonics holding stock, I'm looking to take things up. Generally speaking, my previous prediction was just phenomenal, like on point. I'm talking beautiful. Timing was phenomenal. So if we check this video, for example, so we're just going to let this thing load. Yeah. SEN. Here it is. It was made 14th of January, and guess what my prediction looked like? You better know that I'm looking for those longs, but still. That's the 15-minute chart, right? Rules must. Came down. That timing was fine. I mean, entering into the new week, the only thing that I'm waiting for is like more longs. Although it's not going to be like an immediate long though. Like I would love to see like little retracements and then my rules being met. But other than that, I would not force anything. So yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.